Stop editing images in Google's Gemini Nano Banana using plain text prompts. In this tutorial, I'll show you the JSON edit trick that gives you full control over photo editing. You'll learn how to change object colors, replace elements, modify seasons and weather, adjust camera angles and perspectives, change the time of day, add new objects, alter the subject's age, and even transform building architecture, all using structured JSON prompts. Let's say you want to change the color of the chair in this image. To do this, simply visit Google Gemini. Do not select the Create Image option, and also make sure the Fast option is selected here. Next, upload the image. Next, we need to extract all the information from the image in JSON format. So simply enter this prompt, analyze this image, and extract all the information from this image and convert it into structured JSON. Once you hit send, it will extract the complete image information in JSON format. You can see here the full information in structured JSON format. Simply go to the block that says Item, Armchair, and change the color to orange. Next, select and copy this armchair JSON block and go back to Gemini in the same conversation and enter. Now, modify the image based on the following JSON data and then paste the copied JSON block where the color is orange. Then select the Create Image option. The best part is you do not need to select the Pro option. It works on the free plan as well. Just hit send. Within a few seconds, your updated image will be ready, and you can clearly see the color of the chair has been changed to orange without altering any other element of the image. And here's the side-by-side comparison. Similarly, if you want to change the color of the sofa in the image, simply enter the prompt, go to the JSON data, change the color of the sofa, then copy the JSON block and paste it in Gemini, and hit send. Again, within a few seconds, here's the updated image with the changed sofa color, and here's the side-by-side comparison. But what if we want to replace an element in an image? Let's say we want to replace the bicycle with a vintage scooter. To do this, simply upload the image, but this time we need to provide a different prompt to extract the JSON data. Enter this prompt. Analyze the image and extract all the element-related information from this image and convert it into structured JSON. Hit send, and here's the extracted information about the elements in the image in JSON format. Here's the full JSON data. Now simply find the object JSON block where item equals bicycle and change it to scooter. Change style to vintage Vespa style and change color to shiny red. We do not want to edit the features, so remove the features block. Now copy this object block and go to Gemini. Next, enter this prompt. Update the scene using the following JSON data and replace the bicycle object with a vintage red scooter. Then paste the copied JSON data and hit send. Within a few seconds, bingo! Here's the updated image, and you can see that the bicycle has been replaced with a red vintage scooter. And here's the side-by-side comparison. Similarly, if you want to replace the outfit, simply go to the clothing JSON block and update the outfit as you want. Then copy the block and go to Gemini, enter the prompt, paste the clothing JSON data and hit send, and bingo. Here's the image with the changed outfit. Now what if we want to change the season or weather in an image? We have this image, simply upload it. Next, we need to extract the season or weather-related information. Enter this prompt, analyze this image, and extract the information related to weather or season, such as summer, winter, rain, or snowfall, and convert it into structured JSON. And bingo! Here's the extracted data in JSON format. Simply go to season and change it to snowfall. Next, copy the season block, enter the prompt, paste the JSON code, and hit send. Within a few seconds, bingo. Here's the updated image. You can see the side-by-side comparison. Now, what if you want to add a new element to the image? Let's say we want to add a dog to this picture. To do this, create a JSON object block like this. Entity equals dog breed equals golden retriever position equals walking beside the woman leash equals held in the woman's left hand. Copy this JSON code and go to Gemini. Enter the prompt. Modify the image and add a dog based on the following JSON data. Paste the JSON code and hit send. Within a few seconds, bingo. Here's the updated image with the dog. Next, changing the camera angle and perspective. Upload the image and enter this prompt. Please analyze the image and extract the information related to camera angle and perspective in structured JSON format. Make sure the Create Image option is disabled, then hit Send. It will fetch all the camera-related information in JSON format. To change the camera angle, change shot type equals wide shot. Camera angle equals high angle / aerial. Perspective equals top-down / drone view. Copy the updated JSON code, enter the prompt, paste the JSON, and hit send. Within a few seconds, bingo! The camera angle changes to a wide drone view. Here's the side-by-side comparison. Now comes changing the architecture of a building. Upload the image and enter the prompt to extract the architecture information in JSON format. Once you get the JSON data, change. Architecture style equals traditional Japanese Zen. Form equals symmetrical low-rise. Wooden structure with extended eaves and balanced horizontal layout. Levels equals single-story or low-rise construction. Roof type equals gently sloped roof with deep overhanging eaves. Copy the edited JSON, paste it in Gemini with the prompt, and hit send. Bingo! Here's the updated image with the new architecture. Next, changing the time of day in an image. Upload the image and extract the time-related JSON data. Then change late afternoon / golden hour to night, paste the JSON, and hit send. Bingo! Updated image. Next, changing the age of the subject using JSON. Extract the age-related JSON data. Copy the block, paste it with the prompt, change the age value, and hit send. Within seconds, the subject's age will be updated. Another amazing thing you can do with JSON editing is outpainting. Upload a headshot image, then enter modify the image based on the following JSON data. Create a composition block with shot type equals full body, shot aspect ratio equals 9:16. Paste the JSON and hit send. Bingo! Full body image generated. One more interesting feature that very few people know. Upload an image, click on the image, and you will see the brush edit option. Mark the object, enter the text prompt, click Done, then hit Send. Within seconds, the image will be updated. If you watch till here, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more AI tutorials. If you want part 2, comment below. And if you want to generate bulk AI videos for free, you should not miss the tutorial above. See you inside that tutorial.